Onion sets are kind of unique. They're not really seeds, but they're not really bedding plants either. So to plant onions, here's the way I recommend. Start with your onion sets. You're going to take each individual seed and you're simply going to take your finger and sort of push it right down in the bale. Now keep in mind that these onion sprouts are going to look very much like the sprouts of an oat or a wheat seed coming out of your bale. So you're going to want to make sure that you make notes on which bales you planted with your onion sets so that you don't accidentally come back later and think that your bales have sprouted and you pull those sprouts out accidentally. Keep them spaced apart. About 3 or 4 inches apart is usually good, depending on the variety of onion. Try to keep them about 2.5 knuckles deep. About 2 inches deep is a pretty good depth for the normal person. That's about, I would say, 2 knuckles deep. It's not super precise how deep you plant them, but keep them about 3-4 inches apart and maybe 2-3 inches deep. That's it. Didn't take long at all. Planted out the whole bale.